that you never seen. It got bulletproof glass in the ceiling screen. Let me guess, it cost you like 100,000. No, little bitch, it cost 7 billion.
Your YouTube. What's good, people? My name is Mateo. I'm back here with another video. You can call me Matt too. You feel me? My actual name is Matt, but my IG name, my TikTok name is Ayo Mateo. You feel me? You can.
We do not care.
Follow me on there. I'm glad y'all back with me. You feel me? I'm glad y'all back. I hope y'all been staying in tune, staying in touch with everything that I've been doing. So I have a unboxing video here today for you guys. An unboxing video. I'm so excited to share it with y'all, man. Like, it's. You're probably wondering why I'm having this T-shirt on my shoulder too, but I'll get to that. But I'm having an unboxing video day today. It's for the Z, not for the CLA, not for the CLA.
I'm like, what is it me for?
The Z, unfortunately, CLA's mod's gonna have to hold off for a little bit. You feel me? But it's for the Z, so it's an important mod for the Z, and I got it from an important place that does important things on cars, on especially like VR30s and stuff like that. If you know, you know. If you're a car head, you know. But if you're not, then you feel me? Like, it's cool. But let's go ahead and show y'all why I have this shirt on my shoulder. So once I hit 50 subs, you know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Once I hit 50 subs, I'm gonna be giving away one of these. Yes, one of these shirts right here. One of these shirts I'm gonna be giving away. This is from my cousin Justin's brand, Just Fat Productions. You feel?
Wow.
Feel me? I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, y'all should see that. So it's a solid shirt. I'm not gonna be giving away this one. Not this one. Okay, you're gonna be getting a fresh one, a fresh one. But yeah, he has other celebrities on there and stuff like that. He's coming out with a couple more. Stay tuned for that. I'm gonna post a link to his website. He also has hoodies. Okay, he also has hoodies. All right, so just know that I'm gonna be giving away certain merch at certain time slot. Certain sub slots like 50 subs. Y'all gonna get this. Okay, y'all gonna get this. Boom. At 100 subs, y'all gonna get a hoodie. It's gonna be a nice hoodie. Y'all gonna get a hoodie, okay? You know what I'm saying? So like, comment, subscribe if you only get in tune, stay in tune for those things. You know what I'm saying? Like, just listen, it's free merch. I don't know about y'all, but me, I like free merch.
Yeah.
Do you like free merch?
You're goddamn right, brother.
I like free merch. Shit. Listen, like, comment, subscribe, stay in tune. Let's go unbox. You know what I'm saying? Let's do this unboxing video for the Z. Okay? And stay with me. I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Guys, let's go to the garage. Let's go and unbox this thing that I have in my garage. Feel me? Let's go unbox it. And then, you know what? Let me give you a little tour of the crib, since y'all can see some of it at least. But this is just a little bit of some stuff that I do. I actually drew this. It's right here, the basketball hoop. You feel me? This basketball hoop. Let me just turn it around so y'all can see. But yeah, this basketball hoop right here. I drew it. Typically, I'm saying these things, this and this come together in the winter. I'm saying I have some laundry up there, don't mind me. But yeah, they come together in the winter right here. And you get like separate sides. But now it's summer, so like it's a little bit more open. Things, and right here is the mirror. You know what I mean? All right, there's the mirror. Oh, can't forget the Supreme. Can't forget the Supreme mat. Should be in the garage, but I use that in here. You gotta stay fit a little bit. You got the shark bag right here. You got the hydration situation. You feel me? Gotta make sure you have that hydration situation. You gotta be hydrated at all times. Regular water too. Don't be out here just drinking coconut.
Pause. If you want to be technical,
Don't mind the bag. This is the bar area. There's nothing on there right now. You feel me? And then you got Blue Gem, Rosa Acosta, if you guys don't know. Yeah. Got more, a little bit Supreme. Shout out to my boy Classic Fresca Bar, the girl them star dancer. Go listen to that, bro. But yeah, let's go into the garage. time to unbox. But before we unbox, shout out to the Z. Feel me? Shout out to the Z. I did this myself, right? By the way, the Fair Lady. Yeah. I use this, like, this is the same paint as this. So, and people actually like that, like the Fair Lady on the middle. It looks like, you know how what's it called? It looks like Maseratis or like Lamborghinis in the back. Not saying it's a Lamborghini. Don't flame me in the comments. You got the CLA right here. Got the CLA, baby.
Let it marinate, God, let it marinate a little.
Goosebumps.
But yeah,
Goosebumps.
let's get back to this unboxing. This is my garage. It's a little messy right now. I plan on, you know what I'm saying, cleaning it up, but you know, it's just typical LeBron. The flight right there, bro. TV. You got a TV right here. Gotta make sure you have all the TV stuff. And then you got the ad machine right here. This is for the, you know what I'm saying, for your inside, what's it called, for your hips. This is the hip right here. Got the pull up treadmill. When you gotta do the treadmill, you gotta cardio. Cardio is important, fellas, ladies too. Cardio is important. And you got the right here. You got the. This is just a 45, 245s, but this is just light. You know, feel me? It's not crazy. I gotta actually get more. My favorite thing, though, I'll tell you my favorite thing that I like. This is what I like. This, hit it on this tire right here, bro. This is probably the best. Shit. That's probably the best workout. This shit. That almost hit me in the balls, bro. But yeah, that's it. Let's do this unboxing, baby. I'm gonna switch POVs right now. Come on. Oh man. Okay. All right, people. If you know, listen, if you could see what this is, then you know what this is already. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you, my guy.
You're too slow.
Like, you gotta do a better job at knowing what you're getting. Yes, sir. Alright, so if you guys don't know, still, I don't know what to tell you. It's the right side. People probably like, what is that? You know what it is. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know. Listen, y'all know what it is. Look, it's a Nismo exhaust. That's what this is. Boom. Yo. Supposed to go to the DR parade. Damn. Yeah, but it was raining earlier, and I couldn't have the camera out there on the car and stuff like that. So and my glasses broke.
Oh yeah, Lacey told me.
Yeah, I was tight, bro.
You got insurance on it?
Nah, I ain't get insurance. I was being cheap. Feel me? Alright, so this is the Nismo. As you can see right here. Hold on. Look at the tips. Look at the tips, boy. Look at the tips.
Pause. If you want to be technical,
Oh man, that's sexy. Ah man, I can't wait to put this in. Let's take this bad boy apart though. And they really, I got this from Z1. So if you know VR30s, you feel me? The VR30, you know what I'm saying? Like I told you in the previous video, the platform is already there. What more do you need?
He ain't lying. What more do you want from me?
Don't mind me, I'm a little ashy and stuff like that too. Oh, look at that. Oh, shit. We're gonna keep these on here for now. So when I get it installed, you know what I'm saying? Like they could take it off themselves. But yeah, look peeps. Look guys. Sexy is it? It look good. Oh. Look at that, bro. You got the right, the left, and then oh shit, totally forgot.
Wait, there's more.
A bit more, all the way to the downpipes. Whew. That's a big opening right there.
Oh, brother, whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
It's a little wide, feel me?
My brother in Christ.
And this is gonna be a simple bolt-on too, peeps. It's gonna be a simple bolt-on. It's not gonna be anything crazy. The measurements fit exactly the way it needs to. This thing is dirty. Yo, this thing is a little heavy though. I would imagine that this one on here is gonna be a little bit lighter. I mean a little bit heavier, excuse me. What am I saying? A little bit heavier on that. But overall on the Z Nismo, but this is a Nismo track exhaust. I don't know if I said that earlier in the video, but that's what it is. It's a Nismo track exhaust. And that's it. That's all the parts. Like, all right. So I'm probably gonna take this to one of two places. I'm probably gonna take this to one of two places. I'm not gonna disclose where, but I'm gonna let y'all know in the future where I did take it to and if they did a good job. And you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna give you all that info. But yeah, this is I got from Z1. You can see the parts right here. I got it from Z1. Z1 is awesome. They have everything you need for a Z. Everything from the 300 to the 350 to the 370 pass baby, and then to the 400, well not 400, sorry, the Z, just the Z, but the Z Nismo as well right here. You feel me? So yeah man, I can't wait to put this in for you guys. I'm gonna try to get them to get me inside the shop and like let me record, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully they're good peoples in the Nissan dealership, because I'm going to take it to the dealership. My car is still under warranty. I do not want to play with that. That's something I don't like doing. The CLA is not like that, so I could do whatever I want to that. But this I want to keep it cool. I want to keep it chill.
Man, you lie a lot.
You know what I'm saying? Like, and I said, like, the Z is awesome, like, overall, but I need it to be a little bit louder. I was thinking, like, let me just get this. You know what I'm saying? This is a great starter exhaust. I can eventually sell it if I need to. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a track exhaust. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I like about Nissan, if you don't know. Like, the thing I like about Nissan, people, is that Nissan, they go out all the way. They have parts for all their cars. Like, TRD doesn't do that. AMG doesn't do that. M doesn't, like, they might do that, like, in certain spots with certain, like, companies and stuff like that. But I like the way Nismo is. Nismo is like, I bet, like, we're gonna make every part for our car. We're gonna make sure y'all are good. You can buy, you know, you want to upgrade your intakes, cool. You want to upgrade your exhaust, cool. We got two of them. We have a street exhaust if you don't want it too loud, and we have a track exhaust if you need it louder. They have everything, man. They have all of it. That's what I like about it. That's what I like about them. So we got the clamps right here. You know what I'm saying? There you go, the clamps. You know what I'm saying? We got the upper, mid, you know what I'm saying? And then we got the lower. Everything we need, all of it. This is probably going underneath the midsection as well. But yeah, we got everything right here. Left, right, left, right. It's all here. I'm excited to put this in. But yeah, if you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm about to just clean up a little bit. I'm not trying to bust my behind, my ass. Oh. But yeah, I don't need to have, like, I don't need to have the world, you feel me? Like, I would love to have a Porsche GT4, GT3, or, you know what I'm saying? I would love to have one of those. Whew, the things I would do to that, bro, the things I would do to that car.
Who's a freaky ass nigga?
Not even in terms of modding it. You just know, y'all know. That free rev too, I love that. That's awesome for feature. But let's get out of here. I'm gonna throw these away. I'm glad y'all stuck with me to this last portion of the video. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe. If you love the video, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'll see you next week. If you didn't, nice knowing you, Speedy once said.
Nice knowing you.
The hell is that?
Lock in for
yeah, if you like the video, then I'll appreciate the subs and all that. Remember, free merch too. Free merch. I'm a little tired, I ain't gonna hold you. I want to take a nap.
Like, what is this? A 6-year-old?
But like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Next time, this is gonna be the next project, one of the next projects. Hopefully I can get this done soon. I'm gonna be looking into, like, the next, you know, maybe not this week coming up, but the week after, I'm gonna probably be doing it. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for it. I'll be kicking this joint. But yeah, hope you liked the video. Peace.
Jump in a whip that you never seen.